Hello everyone and welcome back to Solving Factory. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to add a playlist on your YouTube channel. So first, go to YouTube and click on your profile icon in the top right. Then select YouTube Studio. On the left, click on Content. Find the videos you wish to add to the playlist. Next, then click on the Add Playlist at the top. Click on New Playlist, name it, and add a description. Set the visibility to public and click on Create. Make sure it's selected, then click Save. To add other videos to the playlist, find the video you want, click on Save below it, and select the playlist, and that's it. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.